morning. Good morning, everyone. Today you learn exercise 5A, exponent, question 7. Your question is here. Okay, sir. Exercise 5A, question 7. Question 1 is 3 by 2 power 4 into 1 by 5 का square. So student, here you see first 3 by 2 power 4 and 1 by 5 power 2. So here base is difference and find the rational number. Find the rational number. So first you write 3 by 2 4 times because power is 4. So you write 3 by 2 4 times and again write 1 by 5 in 2 times because power is 2. 1 by 5 into 1 by 5. Now you multiply 3 into 3, 9, 9 3 ja 27, 23, 27 3 ja 81. So here you write in upper 81 and lower 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 5 ja 18 and 85 ja 400. Your rational number is 81 by 400. 81 by 400. Your next question, question 2, you have minus 7 by 8. No. Your second question, minus 2 by 3 power 5 into minus 3 by 7 and power cube 3. So first you write minus 2 by 3 in 5 times, 2 by 3 into minus 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 2 by 3. So you write 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, taking bracket, and again write minus 3 by 7 in 3 times, minus 3 by 7 into minus 3 by 7 into minus 3 by 7. So you write first minus 2 by 3 5 times and minus 3 by 7 in 3 times. Now you multiply 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32. So you write minus 32 by 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 27 3 ja 81, 81 3 ja 81 3 ja 243. So here you write 243. Again 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 27 by 7 7 ja 49, 49 7 ja 49 7 ja 9 6 9 7 ja 63, 63 carry 6. and 7 4 are 28 and 6 34. So here you write 343. Now you multiply minus 32 into 27. If you multiply minus 32 into minus 27, student, you cancel. If you cancel 27 to 43, 27 9 ja 9 7 ja 63, 6 243. So you cancel by 9. 27 1 ja. So here you write minus. So if you multiply minus 32 into minus 1 and 9 into 343. So if you multiply minus 32 into minus 1, we get 32 by 9 3 are 27, carry 2, 4 9 are 36 to 38, carry 3. So if you multiply 9 into 343, we get 3087. So your rational number is 32 by 3087. You see third question. You have minus 1 by 2 power 5 into 2 cube into 3 by 4 squared. So first you write minus 1 by 2 in 5 times. One, two, three, four, 5. Take in bracket. Next you write 2 into 2 into 2, because here 2 power 3, 2 ka power 3, here the index is 3, exponent is 3. So you write 2 into 2 into 2. Again you write 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 2 times, because here you see 3 by 4 power 2. Now if you multiply 1 into minus 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 1, we get minus 1. And 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8 by 1. Now 3 3 ja 9 and 4 4 ja 16. If you cancel 8 4 ja, so we get minus 9 by 64. so easy. Your question 4, 2 by 3 power 2 into minus 3 by 5 power 3 into 7 by 2 power 2. So you first write 2 by 3 in 2 times. Again you write minus 3 by 5 in 3 times. Three times. Again you write 7 by 2 in 2 times and multiply. If you multiply 2 2 ja 4 and 3 3 ja 9, so here you write 4 by 9 into 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, so here you write minus 27 by 5 5 ja 25, 25 5 ja 125, again 7 7 ja 49 and 2 2 ja 4. Now student, here you see 4 cancel and 9 3 ja 27 is also cancelled. So now left we have minus 3 into 49 by 125. If you multiply we get minus 9 3 ja 27, carry 2, 4 3 ja 12 and 2 14. Your answer is minus 147 by 125. Okay. Your fifth question. Your fifth question is, first you have middle bracket and minus 3 by 4 का power 3 minus 5 by 2 power 3 into middle bracket into 4 square. So student, first you write in middle bracket 3 3 ja 9, you write minus 3 by 4 into minus 3 by 4 into minus 3 by 4 3 times. Again take minus 5 by 2 into minus 5 by 2 into minus 5 by 2 3 times in middle bracket into 4 square. So if you multiply 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. So here you write minus 27 by 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64. and minus 5 5 ja 25, 25 5 ja 100, 25 by 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8 into 4 square. Now you take in middle bracket minus 27 by 64 and minus minus plus. So here you write plus 125 by 8 into 4 square. You take also in bracket. If you find the LCM of 8 and 64, we get 64. We get 64. So here you write minus 27 plus 8 8 ja 8 8 ja 64. So you multiply 125 into 8, 0, carry 4, 8 5 ja 40, carry 4, 12 8 ja 96 and 4, 100. So here you write 1000 into 16, 4 4 ja 16. You write 4 into 4. Now you subtract 27, we get 3 7 9. So you write if you subtract minus 27 and 100, so here you see minus plus minus. So if you subtract 27 from 1000, we get 973 and 64 into 16 by 1. If you cancel, we get 973 by 4 is your rational number. Clear? So first you subtract this rational number and find. So if you subtract, we get 973 by 64 and your 4 square means 4 into 4, 4 into 4, that you write also 4 into 4, 16, or if you cancel 16 1 ja and 16 4 ja 64, so your answer 973 by 4. Come question 8. Your question is 4 by 9 power 6 into 4 by 9 minus 4. So students, you learning law of exponent. If you write 4 by 9 in 6 times, one, two, three, four, 5, and 6, I solve in easy way. We write first 4 by 9 power 6. So you write 6 times of 4 by 9. Again here you see 4 by 9 in power is negative, so number is inverse. You write 9 by 4 into 9 by 4 into 9 by 4 into 9 by 4. You also here you write 4 by 9 power 6 into 9 by 4 power 4. So you cancel it. I solve in simple way. 9 you cancel here 9 and you cancel 4 and 4. Here you get only 4 by 9 into 4 by 9. So your answer is 16 by 81. Student, in another process 4 by 9 by 6 आप इसको अलग तरीके से भी बना सकते हैं 4 by 9 minus 4. तो here you see student base is common. base जो है base is common, base दोनों का सेम है. So you learn in law of exponent a by b into a by b power m into a by b power n equal to a by b m plus n. So in law of exponent we write 4 by 9 power 6. So here you see base is common, so you write first 4 by 9 and sum of the power m and n. So sum of power 6 plus minus 4. So we get 4 by 9 and plus minus minus. So if you subtract 6 minus 4, here you write 6 minus 4 is also right. Four by 9 power 2 equal to 4 into 4. 4 by 9 into 4 by 9 16 by 81. So your another method, you learn how to find the rational number. So in this question you learn in two ways, how to solve or how to find the rational number. Now your question 2, minus 7 by 8 power minus 3 into minus 7 by 8 power 2. So student, law of exponent, you learn a by b power m into a by b power n equal to a by b. So you write minus 7 by 8 and take power minus 3 plus 2. So you write minus 7 by 8 power minus 1, because minus plus minus. Now you write here power is minus, so base is inverse. So you write minus 8 by 7 power 1 equal to minus 8 by 7. So your answer is minus 8 by 7. Okay. Now question third. Four by 3 power minus 3 into 4 by 3 power minus 2. So here you see base is common. So you write base 4 by 3 and add the power minus 3 plus minus 2. So we get 4 by 3 power minus 5. So if power in power or exponent is minus, the number is inverse. So you write 3 by 4 power 5. So you write 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times you write 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81, 81 3 is 243. So here you write 243 and 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 16 4 is 64, 64 and 4 4 is 16. So if you multiply 64 into 16, we get 1024. 1024. So here you write 1024. So your answer is 243 by 1024. Okay. Come question 9. Students, I solved all questions. Your question 9 is 5 power minus 3. So first you take by 1. You take denominator is 1 itself, and if power is minus, the number is inverse. So you write 1 by 5 power 3. If you multiply, you write 1 by 5 power 3 means 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 equal to 1 by 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. So your answer is 125. Now your second question, you write minus 2 by 1 power minus 5. So first you convert exponent in positive form. So if you convert positive form, you write minus 1 by 2 by 5. So here you write minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1 by 2. So 5 times. If you multiply 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, we get minus 1. And 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32. So your rational number is minus 1 by 32. So third question, 1 by 4 power minus 4. So you write 4 by 1 ka power 4. You write 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64, 64 4 ja 256. Your answer is 256. So you learn and you solve. Next question. You write HW